And the last topic on our agenda: are AI and ChatGPT going to impact data analyst jobs? Can you rely on these skills to build your career and earn a stable income? Data analysis goes far beyond simply writing code and using statistical formulas. It's about business understanding, intuition, testing, interpretation, storytelling, communication, and decision-making. Companies will need data analysts until AI accesses company-specific data and understands how businesses function. But even if such AI tools become available, chances are they'll be used as complementary tools to help automate repetitive tasks and augment human capabilities, because nothing can substitute human intuition and creativity. Think of all the uncovered insights companies cannot take advantage of and now analyze. With the advent of AI, data analysts capable of working with tools like ChatGPT and other forms of AI will be even more needed. As AI technology and the tools used in the workplace keep evolving, one thing is sure: you'll need to learn the fundamentals first and adapt quickly by relying on continuous learning in the years to come. One who doesn't understand the fundamentals will not be capable of working with AI. Do you agree with these statements? We'll be happy to hear from you in the comments.